Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify something went wrong issue. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you receive this kind of an error message when it says something went wrong on your Spotify application, then here are some fixes for you. The first thing to do is to check your VPN. If you are connected to any VPN network, you might be walking through this issue, so make sure to disable your VPN. Simply tap open the VPN you are connected to or check to see if you are connected to any VPN at all and simply disconnect it temporarily. Once you do that, go and check if your Spotify issue is still on or not. If it still does not work, the next thing to do is to log in and log out of your Spotify app. From the main home page of Spotify app, tap on the settings button at the top right hand corner. Now scroll all the way down and tap log out in order to log out of your application. Now launch open your Spotify application and log in back to your account. Once you log in, check to see if your problem is solved. If it still does not work, complete your process in private session. From the main homepage, tap on the settings button or the gear button at the top right hand corner. Scroll down until you find the private session button. Enable the toggle right next to private session. If it still does not work, simply disable your private session. Once you enable your private session, you might be able to solve your issue. The next thing you can try out if nothing else works out is to simply clear your app cache. Find Spotify application from the app drawer and press hold the app for a couple of seconds. Tap on app info in the pop-up and now tap on storage. Tap on the clear cache button right at the bottom right hand corner and clear out your cache data from your Spotify app. Go back to your app drawer and tap open Spotify application and see if it fixes anything. If it still does not, the next thing to do is to simply uninstall your Spotify application by press and hold the app and tapping on uninstall. Delete your application from your system by tapping OK. Once you remove the app, tap on Play Store, go to the search box and type in Spotify and re-download the application. Once you get your application downloaded back on your Android device, go and tap open your Spotify app, log into your account and see if it fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever there is an error on your Spotify app that says something went wrong. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.